Today we are going to complete reproductive health whole chapter in one shot. I will just do simple reading of NCERT because this chapter doesn't need any explanation. Most of us, means almost everybody knows and has learned this chapter in the best possible way. So this chapter needs no explanation. So let's start. You have learned about human reproductive system and its function in chapter 2. Now let's discuss a closely related topic, that is reproductive health. What do we understand by this term? The term simply refers to healthy reproductive organs with normal functions. However, it has a broader perspective and includes the emotional and social aspects of reproduction also. According to the World Health Organization, reproductive health means a total well-being in all aspects of reproduction, that is physical, emotional, behavioral, and social. Therefore, a society with people having physically and functionally normal reproductive organs and normal emotional and behavioral interactions among them in all sex related aspects might be called as reproductively healthy. Why this is significant to maintain reproductive health and what are the methods taken up to achieve it? Let us examine them. Reproductive health means problems and strategies. So India was amongst the first countries in the world to initiate an action plan and programs at a national level to attain the total reproductive health as a social goal. So these programs called family planning were initiated in 1951 and were periodically assessed over the past decades. Improved programs covering what reproduction related areas are currently in operation under the popular name Reproductive and Child Health Care Programs. Creating awareness among people about various reproduction related aspects and providing facilities and support for building up a reproductively healthy society are the major tasks under these programs. With the help of audio visuals and print media, governmental and non-governmental agencies have taken various steps to create awareness among close relatives, among the people about reproduction related aspects. Parents other than close relatives, teachers and friends also have a major role in dissemination of the above information. Introduction of sex education in the young so as to discourage children from believing in myths and having misconceptions about sex related aspects. Proper information about reproductive organs, adolescence, and related changes, safe and hygienic sexual practices, sexually transmitted diseases, AIDS, etc., would help people, especially those in the adolescent age group, to lead a productively healthy life. Educating people, especially fertile couples and those in the marriageable age group, about available birth control options, care of pregnant mothers, postnatal care of the mother and the child, importance of breastfeeding, and equal opportunities for the male and the female, etc., would address the importance of bringing up socially conscious, healthy families of desired size. Awareness of problems due to uncontrolled population growth, social evils like sex abuse and sex related crimes, etc., need to be created to enable people to think and take up necessary steps to prevent them and thereby build up a socially responsible and healthy society. Successful implementation of various action plans to attain reproductive health requires strong infrastructural facilities, professional expertise, and material support. These are essential to provide medical assistance and care to people in reproduction related problems like pregnancy, delivery, STDs, abortions, contraception, menstrual problems, infertility, etc. So, implementation of better techniques and new strategies from time to time are also required to provide more efficient care and assistance to the people. So, statutory ban on amniocentesis for determination to legally check increasing menace of female feticides, massive child immunization, etc. are some programs that merit mention in this connection. In amniocentesis, some of the amniotic fluid of the developing fetus is taken to analyze the fetal cells and dissolved substances. This procedure used to test the presence of certain genetic disorders such as Down's syndrome, hemophilia, sickle cell anemia, etc. Determine the survivability of the fetus. So it's not completely banned. It is statutory banned. Means we can use amniocentesis to detect the diseases, but we cannot use it to determine the sex of the child. Okay. So research on various reproduction related areas are encouraged and supported by the governmental and non-governmental agencies to find out new methods or to improve upon the existing ones. Do you know that Saheli, which is a new oral contraceptive for the females, was developed by the scientists at CDRI Lucknow? Better awareness about sex related matters, increased number of medically assisted deliveries, and better postnatal care, leading to decreased maternal and infant mortality rates, increased number of couples with small families, better detection and cure of STDs, and overall increased medical